Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math 6 IIT Academy. So in this video, I am going to explain about the trigonometry and subtopic is trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So that means here we will try to express sin theta in terms of the remaining trigonometric ratios, means in terms of cos, tan, cosecant, secant and also cot. So respectively, we will see the remaining trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So first of all, let me express sin theta in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So here first, how can we express this sin theta in terms of cos theta means, here we have one identity that is called sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here take this cos square theta into RHS side, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. So now here sin theta value we want, so take the square root on both sides, hence you will get sin theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So here sin theta in terms of cos is 1 minus cos square theta. Next here by another identity we will get one more. So here I am taking cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This is one more identity. So by this how can we write means here cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosecant square theta means here it is a reciprocal of the sin square theta, so that here 1 by sin square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So now I want to express in terms of sin theta, so that here I am taking reciprocal here, so that I will get sin square theta is equals to 1 by 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so now we want here sin theta, so that you just take square root on both sides, then you will get sin theta is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So this is the expression of the sin theta in terms of cot. So here sin theta in terms of cot we have, that is square root of 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So now here we know that cot theta and tan theta are reciprocal to each other. So here what I am doing is, here I am writing cot as in terms of tan. So that means here 1 by tan square theta. So here square root of tan square theta is LCM. So here tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. So here when you take into the numerator, then it becomes square root of tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So here in numerator we have a perfect square, that is tan square theta, and this tan square and also this square root will cancel. Hence you will get tan theta divided by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the sin in terms of tan theta. So here sin theta, here 1 tan theta by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is the expression of sin theta in terms of tan theta. So now we will see one more. So here we have expressed sin theta in terms of cos theta. So here what we can do means here cos theta we can express in terms of secant theta, because both are reciprocal to each other. So here cos square theta means here I am writing 1 by secant square theta. So now here when you are taking the LCM here, your LCM is secant square theta. So here secant square theta minus 1. So here again the secant square theta is a perfect square, so that here we can write secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. So this is the sin theta in terms of secant theta. So here sin theta is equals to square root of secant square theta minus 1 divided by secant theta. Okay, so now how can we write sin theta in terms of cosecant means? Of course obvious, so sin and also cosecant both are the reciprocal to each other, so that here 1 by cosecant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta in terms of cosecant theta we have expressed. So here sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. So here sin theta in terms of cos, next sin theta in terms of tan, next secant, next cosecant, next cot. So here we expressed sin theta in terms of the remaining or other trigonometric ratios. So that's all about the sin theta. So next we will do for the cos theta also. So here cos theta. So again to express cos theta in terms of sin theta, I am taking the first identity again. So that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here we want to express cos square theta in terms of sin square theta. So here I am taking the sin square into that side. So here I will get cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So here cos theta value what? So that here take square root on both sides, then here you will get square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the cos theta value in terms of sin. Okay. So now next. So here what I am doing means here sin theta and also cosecant theta are the reciprocal to each other. So that here sin square theta means I am writing 1 by cosecant square theta. So here cosecant square theta is the LCM. So after taking cosecant square theta LCM, here you will get cosecant square theta minus 1 divided by cosecant square theta. So here cos theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta. So this is the expression of cos theta in terms of cosecant theta. So here cos theta square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 divided by what? Cosecant theta. Okay. So very simple. Next. Now here I am using another trigonometry here. Trigonometric ratios are identity here. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So here what we can write means secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So here secant square theta means what? 1 by cos square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta, because secant and also cos are reciprocal to each other. So now here I want cos square theta value, so that cos square theta is equals to, we can write 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. So now we want only cos theta value in terms of tan, so that here we will take square root on both sides. So here square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the conversion from sine or expression of the cos theta in terms of tan theta. So here cos theta is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So now if you want to express cos theta in terms of cot theta, here simply we will write tan theta in terms of cot. So that is possible by writing the reciprocal of the tan here. So here 1 by cot square theta we can write. Tan square theta we can write as 1 by cot square theta. Okay. So now here LCM we are taking. Here LCM is cot square theta. So here cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. So when you are taking this cot square theta into the numerator place, then here you will get cos theta is there in the LHS side is equals to, when you are taking this term into the numerator, then denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So that is obvious. So here what will get means here cot square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. So here cot square theta and also square root, so that term will get cancelled and you will get only cot theta in the numerator divided by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So this is the expression of cos theta in terms of cot theta. Okay. So here cos theta is equals to what means cot theta divided by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. So next here cos theta in terms of secant theta. So it is obvious that cos and also secant both are reciprocal to each other. So that cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. So here cos theta in terms of sine, cos theta in terms of tan, next cos theta in terms of cosecant, next cos theta in terms of secant, and cos theta in terms of cot. So we have covered everything. So that means we have expressed cos theta in terms of the remaining trigonometric ratios. So here how we will write all these things are, we have remaining trigonometric ratios also, that means here tan, cosecant, secant and also cot. So how can we express all these in terms of the remaining trigonometric ratios, that we will see. So if you find these values, then the remaining we can easily find out by using the basic definitions of the trigonometric ratios. Okay. So that we will see how. Okay. So here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta I am taking here, next cosecant theta, next secant theta, next cot theta. So now expression of sin theta in terms of sin theta, next cos theta, next tan theta, cosecant, secant, next cot. Okay, so now sin theta in terms of sin theta means sin theta only. Okay, next sin theta in terms of cos, we have found sin theta in terms of cos means here square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now sin theta in terms of tan theta, sin theta in terms of tan theta by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So here tan theta by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, right. So now cosecant theta. So already we know that here sin theta, cosecant theta both are reciprocal, so that 1 by cosecant theta is nothing but sin theta. Next, sin theta in terms of secant. Sin theta in terms of secant is what? Square root of secant square theta minus 1 divided by secant theta. So here square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. Next, in terms of cot. So sin theta in terms of cot means here what we can write means 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta, that I have erased here. Okay, so we can write like this. So here we have expressed everything sin theta in terms of all the remaining trigonometric ratios. Now how to express this cos theta in terms of sin theta means this we have cos theta is equals to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta in terms of cos theta is cos theta only. Next, cos theta in terms of tan. So in terms of tan means 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So here 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. This is about the cos in terms of tan. Now cos theta in terms of cosecant theta. Cos theta in terms of cosecant theta means here square root of cosecant square theta minus divided by cosecant theta. Next, cos theta in terms of secant theta, that means here reciprocal only. So here 1 by secant theta is nothing but the cos theta. Next, cot theta. Cot theta means here cot theta divided by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So here 1 by square root of cot theta by 1 square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so this we have derived. Okay, so now tan theta. So what is mean by tan theta means here the ratio of the sine and also cos is the tan theta. So that means here how to express tan theta in terms of sine. So as we know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So in the expression also what sin theta in terms of sin theta is sin theta only. Sin cos theta in terms of sin theta is what? Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So tan theta in terms of sin theta is nothing but sin theta by square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So next, tan theta in terms of cos means simply divide these two terms. Then you will get the tan theta in terms of cos theta. The rest of the things also in the same manner we can continue. Okay. So here square root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta, and here tan theta by square root of 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Here the denominators are same, so here we can cancel. Otherwise, here tan theta in terms of tan theta is means tan theta itself. So tan theta, or by the division also you will get the same. Okay. Next, tan theta in terms of cosecant. So here 1 by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1, because here cosecant theta in the denominator will be cancelled. So next, here again secant theta will get cancelled and we will get here secant square theta minus 1. Next, tan theta in terms of cot means here this denominator is again cancelled and you will get 1 by cot theta, or tan theta and also cot theta both are reciprocal to each other, so that tan theta is equals to we can write as 1 by cot theta. Okay, so similarly cosecant. So how can we write the cosecant means in terms of sign? Cosecant and sine both are the reciprocal to each other. So here cosecant means here we can write 1 by sine. Next, cosecant in terms of cos. Already we have expressed sine in terms of cos. So if you take the reciprocal of this, then that gives the result of cosecant theta in terms of the cos theta. So 1 by square root of 1 minus cos square theta, and similarly the rest of the things also same. So simply take the reciprocal of these values, we will get the cosecant theta in terms of the remaining trigonometric ratios. So here square root of 1 plus tan square theta divided by tan theta, and here cosecant theta in terms of cosecant is cosecant only, and here secant theta divided by square root of secant square theta minus 1, and here square root of 1 plus cot square theta. And now here secant theta in terms of secant theta. So secant theta means 1 by cos. So here 1 by square root of 1 minus sin square theta, and next cos theta means here 1 by cos theta. So here what we have 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta means here square root of 1 plus tan square theta, and here cosecant theta divided by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1, and here secant theta, and here square root of 1 plus cot square theta divided by cot theta. And next here we have cot, and this is the last. So cot means here what? Cos by sine, or you can write inverse of the reciprocal of the tan. Okay, so here better take the reciprocal of the tan and then you will get our answer fastly. So here square root of 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta, and next cos theta divided by square root of 1 minus cos square theta, and here cot theta means here how can we write in terms of tan theta means reciprocal to each other, reciprocal to each other, that means here cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and here square root of cosecant square theta minus 1, and here 1 by square root of secant square theta minus 1, and next here cot theta in terms of cot theta is cot theta is. So this is the total table, and in this table we can see the trigonometric ratios in terms of the remaining trigonometric ratios. Okay, so that's all about the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.